The National Weather Service in Newport has issued a special marine warning for Alligator River, News and Bay Rivers, Pamlico Sound, Pamlico and Prongo Rivers until 9 p.m. At 8 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from the vicinity of Frying Pan to 10 nautical miles northwest of Oriental, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Inglehart, the vicinity of Slade's Creek, the vicinity of Bellhaven, the vicinity of Gum Neck, the mouth of the Pamlico River, the vicinity of Frying Pan, Crabtree Bay, Pamlico Sound, the center of the Pamlico Sound, midpoint of South Creek, and the vicinity of Pamlico Beach.
Jehovah, you have a minute to win it.